Let's build a modern cart screen UI, Canva to Jetpack Compose. Open Canva and create design size 800*1000. Search sneaker and elements. Adjusted the image alignment and placement. Download as PNG. Open Android Studio and create a Jetpack Compose project. Copied and pasted the Canva image into the UI layout. Cart screen. Initialize the gradient background. Initialize the cart items variable. Created the cart item data class. Added item name, price, quantity, and image properties. Created the total price date variable. Added a scaffold layout. Set the scaffold container color to transparent. Added the bottom bar section. Created the cart bottom section composable. Used a surface for the bottom section. Added column and row layouts. Calculated the item total price. Added the checkout button. Preview of cart bottom section. Designed the main content area using lazy column to display cart items. Add title. Create cart item card composable. Added item, on increase, on decrease properties. Added the product image section. Displayed product name and price. Added decrease quantity buttons. Added increase quantity buttons. Final cart screen UI preview. 3 quick tips. Cart screen completed successfully. Thanks for watching.